Welcome to Immigration Question News. Do you have an immigration question? Post your immigration question free and get answers from a licensed immigration attorney.
Good day and welcome. Here are this week's hot headlines on today's Cold Coffee. Grab your cup of coffee and let's dive in. The week opened with a landmark asylum ruling and refugee updates. The Sixth Circuit clarified that broad identity groups such as Salvadoran women do not meet legal criteria for asylum. Meanwhile, DHS confirmed that Venezuelans previously under TPS may now pursue refugee status following the administration's termination of TPS protections. Early in the week, immigration processing delays expanded. DHS paused applications for 20 additional countries, largely in Africa, while the Trump administration extended a visa bond requirement to 7 more nations, creating financial hurdles for applicants. Midweek brought corporate and enforcement headlines. Hilton removed a Minneapolis hotel after it cancelled ICE reservations, highlighting private sector responses to federal operations. Simultaneously, DHS launched its largest immigration operation to date in Minnesota, deploying 2,000 officers, drawing heightened scrutiny and community concern. Later in the week, federal law enforcement clarified the use of force rules governing deadly force, as Minneapolis witnessed a fatal ICE shooting. Portland saw 2 individuals wounded in a separate enforcement encounter, prompting protests and investigations. The week closed with political reverberations. Vice President J.D. Vance publicly defended the Minnesota ICE officer, framing the incident as a measure of elected officials' stance on law enforcement ahead of the 2026 midterms, while federal judges moved to temporarily block efforts, ending family reunification protections for thousands of migrants. For the latest immigration news, download the free immigrationquestion.com app or visit our website. Post your immigration questions for free and get answers from licensed attorneys.
Do you have an immigration question? Visit immigrationquestion.com. Register for free. Post your immigration question free. Get your answer from a licensed immigration attorney. Download the Immigration Question app and post your immigration question free.